Welcome to the FlameTask tutorial on equipment types. Equipment types is used to categorize equipment into different types of equipment. This is required to have different types of services available for each types of equipment. For example, dry chemical extinguishers may have services like hydrostatic tests and recharges, while smoke detectors may have services like change battery. To set up equipment types, go to Settings, then Equipment Types. Equipment types are associated with the model, which in turn associated with the equipment. The right-hand pane are the models that fall under this equipment type. This is how it knows what services to maintain for each piece of equipment. Thanks for watching the FlameTask tutorial on equipment types.